Have you ever wondered how tiny needles can relieve pain, stress, and even boost energy? Today, we're diving into the world of acupuncture, what it is, what acupuncturists do, and how you can become one. Stick around, because this could be your next career path. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese healing practice that involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to promote balance and healing. It's widely used for pain management, stress relief, and even treating digestive issues. So, what does a day in the life of an acupuncturist look like? Well, they assess patients' conditions through consultations, insert sterile, fine needles into specific points on the body, develop personalized treatment plans, and educate patients about lifestyle changes and holistic healing. It's not just about needles, it's about restoring balance to the body and mind. Thinking of becoming an acupuncturist? Here's what you need: a bachelor's degree, usually in health science, biology, or a related field, a master's or doctorate in acupuncture, 3 to 4 years, and clinical training, hands-on practice with real patients. You also need to pass the National Certification Commission for Acupuncture and Oriental Medicine, NCCAOM, exam and get a state license, varies by region. Some states require additional certification, so always check local regulations. Acupuncture isn't just about technical knowledge, it's about connecting with people. Here are some key skills: strong communication to understand patients' concerns, steady hands for precise needle placement, knowledge of anatomy and physiology, and patience and empathy because healing takes time. Now, the big question: how much do acupuncturists earn? Well, it depends. The average salary is $50,000 to $100,000 per year, varies by experience and location, and there is high demand due to the rise in holistic medicine. You can work in private clinics, wellness centers, hospitals, or even start your own practice. So, if you're passionate about natural healing and love helping people, acupuncture could be the perfect career for you. What do you think? Would you try acupuncture or even become an acupuncturist? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more career insights.